The Hapyvergo 1700W Handheld Steam Cleaner features a tankless design, allowing you to connect it to an external water source for continuous steam cleaning without the weight of a built-in tank. With a powerful 1,700-watt motor, this steam cleaner heats up in just 20 seconds, delivering steam at temperatures up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for tackling tough grime. Constructed with a thickened ABS shell, this steam cleaner is lightweight and portable, while its stainless steel evaporator and pump ensure durability and long-lasting performance. Safety is prioritized with overheat and leakage protection, offering peace of mind during use, and the cleaner is designed to work effectively with regular tap water. The product undergoes thorough testing before leaving the factory, ensuring quality and reliability, and it comes with a 1-year warranty for free replacement in case of non-human-induced issues. Ideal for home use, this steam cleaner fits into various categories, including handheld steamers and steam mops, making it a versatile cleaning tool for different surfaces.